I'm Rolando. This is Christian. This is Game TV. Today's video is gonna be strange. Have you ever? Don't you hate it when you start hiccuping and then you don't know how to get rid of it? Well, today we'll teach you something. Know how to hiccup. We're gonna show you how to get hiccups. Give me a second. Alright, hold on. We're going on eBay to buy some hiccups. They're basically trapped air inside your throat. No, I don't know. It's some really hardcore. I don't even know. Basically, it's like sudden closure of your throat. So, organisms of the throat. We're gonna try to get some hiccups, and then we're gonna get rid of them. Well, we're gonna try to get rid of them. All right, so that's our challenge. I know we're supposed to do a game review, but you know what? There's no games out there. So how about you go call Activision and tell them to make some Call of Duty boots on ground games. Alright. So one way you can eat it is eat dry food. What this does, since it's so dry, it's like the liquid balance. This disrupts something in your body. I don't know. But we're gonna do this, and we're gonna see who can finish it first. All right, ready? Ready? Cheers! 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 And go! Sorry, my dog was here. I'm having a hard time breathing it down. I know. I hate. Does it work? No. But it could give you hiccups. It's a possibility. Whatever it is. Alright, the second one is eat spicy food. It could irritate the nerves around your throat and stomach. That which causes hiccups. Alright, we're Mexican, so we're gonna do this Mexican style. And peppers. They got them herbs and spices and minerals. Guess who flavored in? Alright, now we're gonna dip it in this hot sauce. What do you? And we're gonna do this with no milk. No milk. Even though we got milk right there. Alright, so this is what it is. I can tell it's spicy. I'm like sweating bullets. You know what? That's how you know it's the spicy. Oh my god. That's how. Why you want to do this? Let's just eat the hot sauce. No, let's do that. I mean, I tasted these peppers before, but I almost passed out eating them. Almost passed out? What? Alright, you get the spicy part. Alright. Hey, do it over there on the plate. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh my god. What are we doing? Wait, we only have 71 subs. Let me check if it's still cream. Oh yeah. Cream. Oh yeah, good point. Cause like, we wouldn't do this. I mean, wouldn't it be worth it? Okay. We're gonna eat some spicy food. Alright, you ready? Yeah. Alright, cheers. Cheers, small bite. Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is it spicy? Alright, just do it. Just go. Is it honey? Really? Here, by the way, my whole body right here feels so what? It feels vibration. Like I can't, literally, like it burns right here. I don't know why. Alright, on up. Alright, there's another way you can get hiccups. Swallow large mouthfuls of air. Yeah, alright. What it believes, scientists believes that. Oh, swallow. I can't do that. I can't do that for some reason. You get anything? Yeah. No. wait, okay.
Wait, no.
No, I'm being for real. I'm being for real. Stop lying. Stop.
I'm playing.
Alright, well, that didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work. Even we ate peppers for like no reason. Like none of these things work. Alright, okay.
For some people, it actually does work. Like I know some people that when they eat spicy stuff, it works immediately. But for us, it's not.
Force yourself to burp. Alright. Excuse me. Bruh, that's nasty.
Like it's stuck. Something's stuck.
You feel anything?
I feel something. Wait, I think I'm actually hiccup. Hold on. I feel a trapped air somewhere in me.
Okay. Last one. Triggers sudden emotions. Alright, supposedly if you're supposed to be like, if you're scared, you get hiccups. That's what it basically means. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so happy thoughts. Think of your future girlfriend. You fat, ugly bastard. What? I hate you. What are you talking about? I don't like you. Do this video. Here, eat some. Nah, I ain't getting anything. Let me take it. Imagine my girlfriend now. She's gonna be slim thick. Be hot. You recording? Yeah. Alright. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.